Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Now y'all know I have been on the hunt for a replacement for my beloved Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat that we used to go get at Walmart. Big fat bottle of it for like $4 or $5 or something like that, maybe $6. They are no longer carrying it, and I had to find backup. And I'm always interested in top coats. I mean, I have some of my favorites that I do get. Some of them I have to order online. Some of them I, can walk up in Sally's and get. But I ran across this deal on Moonshine Manny's site where she's got her, last call products. And she has a whole bunch of her top coats marked down to $3.50. Her shipping is phenomenal. It's $4, I think, for your package, no matter what you order. She's just, look, I'm just sold. So I got brave and just ordered. I'd never tried her top coat before, and I just ordered 8 of them. They come in all different scents, and she does have an unscented one. But I bought Daydream, and it's a sweet apricot with a bright mint for a luscious fragrance reminiscent of a late spring evening. And it's also got additional notes of lemon, bergamot, and a hint of musk. I've already tried these. Love them. Love them for in between my stamping or my polish manicure and my stamping, and even as a straight up base coat. Top coat. Oh, get it together, girl. So that's Daydream. And then I got Escapade. And this is a breezy blend of bright orange, cherry, coconut wrapped in vanilla. And this one smells so good. I wasn't as crazy about the scent of this one, but it was still fine. It wasn't something that annoyed me or bothered. Then I got Hello, and it's a holiday wassail with notes of orange, cranberry, apple, and cinnamon. I haven't tried that one yet. And then we've got Home, which is pumpkin pie, smelling, can't wait. And then we've got Jump. This might be my favorite. I haven't tried it yet. And it's a toasty, rich coffee swirled through with a spoonful of creamer. I'm a coffee junkie, so this one's screaming my name. And then I got Reflections, and this one is pear, apple, caramel crisp. And, can you imagine? I can't wait. And the next one is called Surrender, and Surrender smells like sugar dusted raspberries and pears. And then the last one I got was Venus, and it smells like a raspberry truffle cheesecake with bright sun-ripened raspberry and decadent smooth chocolate. That ought to just be awesome. Now, on these scented polishes, you don't smell it when you first put them on your nails. It's once they dry down, then you can smell them. And I'm a fan, huge fan. In fact, and she had other scents. She had one that was like roses. Like I said, there is an unscented one. I will leave a link for this down below in the drop box. She's still going to be carrying her top coat, but she's reformulated it. So she's got a bunch of them over in the last call section of her website, and these are really nice. And the name of the top coat is Let's Go Quick Dry Top Coat. And this is a 15 ml bottle, which is a nice size bottle. It's got the nice paddle brush in it. And I'm thinking about going back and getting more because, I can't walk up in a store and find a top coat hardly that I like for $3.50. So you may want to stock up or at least get one to try it so you know. I would be willing to pay the full price on her top coat. $7 is still a really good deal on a top coat, especially if you're placing an order and you're getting other stuff to cover the shipping too. But y'all, I'm telling y'all, I'm really pleased with this. Really, really pleased with it. So, this will be, once I totally run out, I'm still going to be using these because I want to work through the flavors and figure out what's my favorite, because that way I know what to go back and get more of while it's marked down so drastically. So I will be using them, intermixing this with the Pro FX until I run out of it. But I just wanted to let you guys know about it. I know a lot of you don't shop online, but this might be worth it because, like I said, you can't beat the price. It's a really good top coat. It's not too thick, and that's what I liked about it. I used it over the base polish of this, and then I used it over the stamping, and this was a couple of days ago, and it's still glossy and shiny and smooth. Totally digging it. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.